Hello, students of class 4. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at home. So, again, another practical session for you. So, in our previous practical class, what we did, you have learned how to copy and paste your file and folder. Is not it? And today we will learn how to select multiple files and how to delete your files and folder. So, I hope you all are practicing this at home because this is practical, and if you'll not practice at home you cannot able to understand. So let's start our today's practical. So go to start button, click on File Explorer, so these are the recent files. See children, whatever the files recent I am using, this I can see here. Okay, so I will choose the desktop icons. I hope you know what is icon. Icons is a small graphical picture, is not it? So now these icons are in small size. So just remember this, that you can increase the size of this icon in medium, large, extra large. See what are the things present here. You can do new folder. You can make a new folder here. In our previous class also I have shown to you how to create a new folder. So next go to view. See what I said to you. This one I told you that you can make it small icon, extra large icon, medium icons. So I will choose the medium icons. Now see the icon size change in a medium icons. Okay children, so to select multiple files or folder, you have to press Ctrl key from your keyboard. Press Ctrl key and select the file and folder. Which one you want to select? So this way you can select multiple files and folder. Now if you want to delete it, see, you can see here delete option. If you want to delete it permanently, the options will be available here. Just click, see, recycle. It will go to recycle bin, means it will delete temporarily and permanently. If you want to delete, so you have to click on delete, permanently delete. So it will delete the files and folder permanently. So I will click on recycle. Then I will show how can you restore it again. So I am deleting this file and folder temporarily. recycle bin 5 items. Okay, done. Now see, it is disappear from here. You cannot able to see the file and folder. Okay, I'm closing this one. Now let's go to recycle bin and check. Open it. Okay, now see the folder which I have deleted, you can see it is here. So suppose you want to restore this folder. So how to do? Just simply right click from your mouse. You can see restore. So you have to click on restore. Now you cannot see here. So where it is? Yes, it is in desktop. So this way, children, you can restore your file and folder which you have deleted. So I hope you can able to understand how to select a multiple files together and how to delete your file and folder. And again, if you want to bring it back, so you have to go to recycle bin and you have to click on restore.